Hello everyone, my name is Juan Aaron. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at the term STEM. What is STEM? STEM is simply an acronym for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And this will be the focus of this channel. We'll be briefly looking at everything from science all the way to mathematics. Now let's get into it. Science, which is the first term in the acronym, it comes from a Latin word, scientia, meaning knowledge. Science is a systematic enterprise that builds and organizes knowledge in the form of testable explanations and predictions of the universe. The hierarchy of science includes the social sciences, sociology and psychology, life sciences, functional biology, cellular biology, and formal sciences, math and logic, plus physics and chemistry. Technology. When people hear the word tech nowadays, they mostly think of gadgets or electronic devices, the likes of drones, cameras, etc. But in reality, technology is the sum of techniques, skills, methods, processes used in the production of goods or services or in the accomplishment of objectives such as scientific investigation. Take a look at the automobile, which revolutionized personal transportation and made it easier when commuting. Another illustration is the invention of cell phones and computers, which changed our entire communication culture. Scientists and engineers prefer to define technology as applied science, which I personally agree with. The simplest form of technology is the development and use of basic tools. Technology has many effects, both positive and negative, but we'll look into that in the subsequent videos. Engineering. This figure illustrates the engineering design process, which starts with asking, then researching the asked problem. Imagine possible solutions and then plan for a solution. Try creating a prototype, test it, and then finally improve it. Engineering is the use of scientific principles to design and build machines, structures, and other items, including bridges, tunnels, roads, vehicles, and buildings. The main types or branches of engineering include chemical, civil, electrical, mechanical. In the subsequent videos, we'll be talking in details about the rest. Other branches include aerospace, petroleum, marine, and so on. The final term in the acronym is mathematics. We are all basically aware of what math is, or at least have an idea. In light of this, and also because of the fact that this is a short video, we'll not be going into details, but just give brief, by which I mean very brief details about the subject. Maths has no generally accepted definition. It was defined by Aristotle as the science of quantity, but it includes the study of such topics as quantity, structure, space, and change. It is essential in many fields, including but not limited to natural science, engineering, finance, medicine, and the social sciences. That will be all for this video. I hope you learned something from it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next. If you liked the video or find it to be helpful, be sure to give a like, follow, and leave a comment down below.